Hello and welcome to Learn Data. It's great to have you on this channel. I'm Nilesh, and in this video, we'll look at another app from TensorFlow Lite demos, which is natural language question answering. So let's open Android Studio and import the code. So here I'm opening Android Studio. Then we click on Open an existing project and then navigate to the examples-master folder, Lite, then examples, and here we want to go to the bird QA folder and then Android. So after this opens, we should see the files loaded here on the left hand side of the screen. I've already connected the external mobile device, and we should see that here where it says loading devices. And if there are no errors, we should be able to build and run this. And if there are any updates, then we'll see those in the bottom right corner. So we'll see if we need those updates. Mostly if there are Gradle updates, I would go ahead and update that. So sometimes these takes a while for the all the files to load, and it's downloading the TensorFlow Lite files, as we can see here. And after everything is done, we should see uh, a message on the bottom left corner where it says right now Gradle sync started. Okay, so it's about to be done, and it's done now. So there is an recommendation to update the Gradle plugin. I think we should go ahead and do that. I'll update that plugin, and the Gradle project sync again is in progress. And here, just trying to look at the assets folder, we already have the model TensorFlow Lite file in there. So once this is done, we'll click on the make project option in the build menu, and after that we'll click on run app, which is this green button right here. So there are two processes running. That's the message we see here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. I'm interested to see what this app has. So question and answer. So it could be similar to what we saw earlier in the messaging app, where we type how are you and we get possible answers back. Could be similar. Okay, so that is done. Now I'm going to click on build in the menu bar for Android Studio, and then click on make project. And here we can now see the status says Gradle build running. And after the build is done, we should see an updated message on the bottom left corner. Meanwhile, the phone external mobile device, which is my phone, that is already detected here, which is great. All we have to do now, if there are no errors, is click on this green button to install and run it on the mobile phone. And after this is done, I'll switch over to the screen from mobile device, and uh, we'll look at the app as to how it works. Okay, Gradle build finish, and that's great. Now I'll click run app and switch over to the mobile screen. So here on the mobile device, this is the app. question and answer. So let's look at Super Bowl. We have a text and then we can ask a question. So I'm asking what stadium. You get two outputs. One is a highlighted text and other is an audio response.
Levi Stadium.
And then again, I'm asking a second question. When was the game played? And again, you get the response as this.
February 7th, 2016.
And then I've tried the second paragraph, which is the Warsaw, and asked question, who was the famous person? And so we get the response that it was Maria, both highlighted and audio response.
Maria Sklodowska-Curie.
And so those were the two examples I showed. There are a few other paragraphs that you could read and ask questions and play with this app. I hope to see you all in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.